Today I'm going to show you how to hide notes on Google Keep by archiving them. So open Google Keep and go into the note you want out of your main feed. Click the note itself to open it. Once you're inside, you've got two ways to archive. Tap the archive icon, which looks like a box with a downward arrow on it, or hit the three dots menu in the bottom right and choose archive from there. The note disappears from your main feed immediately. That's the point. It's not deleted, it's just tucked away. A lot of people hit the trash icon by mistake here, and that puts the note on a 7-day countdown before it's gone for good. Archive is reversible, trash is not. So if you ever want to keep something but stop seeing it every time you open Keep, this is the button you want. Now to find that note again, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. That opens the main menu. Scroll down past Notes and Reminders and you'll see the Archive option. Click it. There's your note, sitting in the Archive folder exactly where you left it. So it's hidden from your main list but not gone. I use this for meeting notes I don't need every day but don't want to lose. If you ever need to bring a note back to the main feed, just open it from this archive screen, tap the three dots, and choose Restore. That pulls it right back into the regular notes view. Nothing else to set up, no extra folders to manage, and that's really all there is to hiding notes on Google Keep. This was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe so more people can find it, and drop a comment saying it worked. That helps push this video to others looking for the same thing.